Hi, this is Derek Weeks back with Sonatype and some news updates from yesterday. Yesterday, really interesting, we saw some new guidance published by the UK's National Cybersecurity Centre. In this particular case, it was focused on helping organizations with guidance that they can use to better protect their infrastructure related to security risks, especially with GDPR coming up in the European Union for any businesses that are doing business there and needing to protect consumers' data. This guidance is especially important. In this particular guidance, one of the things that they go through a number of different topics: governance, risk management, asset management, and supply chain management. This supply chain management section really interested me, and we'll take a dive into it and look a little more about what their guidance projects. So when we look at this particular section, it talks about the supply chain risks within your organization that you need to manage. Supply chains are vast and complex. We talk about them frequently at Sonatype when we discuss open source projects as suppliers to our development practices, where we have open source projects that are used by our developers. We feed those into our organizations, and on occasion, in fact, 1 in 18 of those downloads that our developers are using have known security vulnerabilities in them when they're downloaded. So as we try to build our compliance toward GDPR by building security in and designing security in, we need to look at the best practices and principles and guidelines that are offered to us throughout the industry. So I'm going to provide a link to this document online so that you can look at it for your own organization and think about how you're managing supply chain risk for your own company, especially in your software development practices, with your software supply chain, the open source vendors that you work with, to make sure that you are best prepared and understand these guidelines as we all prepare for GDPR compliance moving forward. So I hope you find this helpful. I will look forward to another update tomorrow, and take care.